Number 91 in an AP S1 is equal to 6 means so S1 is equal to A is equal to 6 first term of the AP. So S7 is equal to what? So 105. So we need to calculate. So Sn is to Sn minus 1. So Sn minus 3. The ratio of Sn and Sn minus 3. So okay. So what is S7? S7 means 7 by 2 into. So 2A. A is what? 6. And the 6 2s are 12 plus n minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6 into D is equal to 105. So right. So 7 into, so take 2 common, 2 into 6 plus 3 D divided by 2 is equal to 105. So 2 gets cancelled. So 7 6 are 42 plus 7 3 is 21. D is equal to 105. So 21 D is equal to 105 minus 42. So 21 D is equal to, so 5 minus 2 is 3. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So right. So D is equal to 63 by 21 is equal to what? So D is equal to 3. So 21 3 is 63, right? So first term is 6. So common difference is 3. So take the ratio of Sn divided by what? Sn minus 3. So what is Sn? Sum of n terms of an AP, n by 2 into, so 2A. So A is 6 means 12 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 3. So divided by sum of n minus 3 terms. So n by 3 divided by 2 into, so 12 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 3. Yes. So this is n, not n minus 1. This is n minus 3 minus 1 into 3, right? So Sn means Sn n minus 1. Sn minus 3 means Sn n minus 3 minus 1. Okay. So 2 gets cancelled. N divided by n minus 3. So here 12 plus 3n minus 3 divided by, so divided by what? So 12 plus 3n, so 3n minus 12, right? So minus 4 into 3 minus 12 plus 12 minus 12 gets cancelled. So n into, so here 3n plus 9, so divided by n minus 3, so into what? 3n. So n gets cancelled. So in numerator take 3 common, so 3 into, so n plus 3, so divided by n minus 3 into 3. 3 again cancel. So n plus 3 divided by n minus 3. The ratio of Sn and Sn minus 3 is what? N plus 3 is to n minus 3. Okay. So very simple questions. 92. If the sum of first n terms of an AP is, so means Sn is equal to what? So Pn plus Qn square. So P and Q are constant. So n is variable. So then the common difference of this AP is what? So what is S1? So S1 means put n is equal to 1, P plus Q. So this is what? First term of an AP. First term of an AP or T1, right? First term of an AP. So again calculate S2, put n is equal to 2 in the given equations. So 2P plus 4Q, because 2 square is 4, right? So what is S2 minus S1? What is S2 minus S1? T2, right? S2 minus S1 is T2. What is S2? 2P minus, so 2P plus 4Q minus S1 is what? P plus Q. It becomes minus P minus Q is equal to what? So T2. So 2P minus P is P. 4Q minus Q is 3Q is equal to T2. So now T1 is known and T2 is known. So what is the common difference? common difference is T2 minus T1, right? So D is equal to T2 is what? P plus 3Q. What is the T1? So P minus Q, right? Minus P minus Q. So minus, what is the T1? P plus Q. So minus into P plus Q is minus P minus Q. So P minus P gets cancel. So 3Q minus Q is 2Q. 2 times Q. This is the common difference of AP when sum of n terms is Pn plus Qn square, right? Question number 93. The first term of an AP of consecutive integer is p square plus 1. The first term is p square plus 1. Her next term is what? Nothing but p square plus 2. So third term is p square plus 3. So fourth term is p square plus 4. So okay, the sequence is p square plus 1, p square plus 2, so p square plus 3 and like this. So what is the common difference? So p square plus 2 minus p square minus 1. So 1 is the common difference of this AP. So okay, next the sum of 2p plus 1 terms means yes 2p plus 2p plus 1 is equal to what? So 2p plus 1 divided by 2 into so 2 times a. So what is a? P square plus 1 into plus, so 2p plus 1 minus 1 into common difference is 1. So 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So okay, next 2p plus 1, so upon 2 into, so 2p square plus 2 into 1 2 plus minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled plus 2p, right? So what is the common here? 2 is the common. So 2p plus 1, so upon 2, so 2 is the common. So p square plus p plus 1. So 2 gets cancelled. So it can be written as what? A plus b whole square means p plus 1 whole square, because p plus 1 whole square can be written as p square plus 1 square plus p. So right? Okay. So 2p, sorry, this is a s, 2p plus 1 into is a 2p square plus 2 plus 2p, yes 2 is the common. So p square plus p into 1. So okay, so 2 into a, so in the p square plus 1 plus 2p plus 1, so 2 gets cancelled, and then 2 is a common as 2p plus 1 into p square plus p plus 1. This is the, so what? Sum of 2p plus 1 terms.